Python automation revolutionizes bulk email marketing by enabling scalable, personalized campaigns. We'll delve into architecture design, ensuring efficient email delivery and optimizing deliverability. Learn to build robust systems that handle complex tasks, from dynamic content personalization to intelligent scheduling, enhancing engagement and efficiency. Automating email marketing is crucial for scalability and efficiency. Python enables custom solutions for managing vast subscriber lists, ensuring personalized, timely, and trackable campaigns. It supports dynamic content, intelligent scheduling, and real-time analytics, integrating seamlessly with customer relationship management systems. This automation not only enhances engagement, but also optimizes performance through A/B testing and sophisticated tracking. The architecture of an email automation system includes a data layer for managing subscriber databases and segmentation. The processing engine handles template rendering and personalization. The delivery layer ensures reliable message delivery through simple mail transfer protocol servers and application programming interface integrations. Finally, the analytics pipeline tracks opens, clicks, and conversions, providing actionable insights for campaign optimization. Essential Python libraries are crucial for email automation. The SMTplib and email modules handle SMTP communication and MIME message construction. Jinja 2 enables dynamic HTML email generation. Pandas and SQL Alchemy manage data manipulation and database connectivity. SendGrid and Mailgun provide deliverability optimization and advanced analytics through their application programming interfaces. Proper Simple Mail Transfer Protocol configuration ensures reliable email delivery. Use environment variables for credentials, not hard coding. Secure connections with Transport Layer. Security Secure Sockets Layer. Manage connections efficiently and handle authentication errors gracefully. Implement connection pooling and set appropriate timeouts for optimal performance. To send an automated email, construct a function handling HTML content, attachments, and errors. Use MIME multipart for email structure, attaching both HTML and optional plain text. Establish an SMTP connection, send the message, and handle exceptions to ensure reliability. This pattern is essential for robust email automation systems. Jinja 2 enhances email templates by enabling dynamic content personalization. Using placeholders like user.firstName, it adapts to user data, offering tailored experiences. Conditional logic, such as %, if user.premium%, allows for customized content based on user attributes. This approach ensures emails are relevant and engaging, improving user interaction and satisfaction. Managing subscriber lists at scale involves using Pandas for data manipulation and SQL Alchemy for storage. Import data from comma-separated values, validate emails, and remove duplicates. Create segments based on demographics and behavior. Ensure list hygiene by removing bounces and honoring unsubscribes. Synchronize databases to keep subscriber data updated efficiently. Advanced segmentation strategies enhance targeting precision. Identify recent purchasers, cart abandoners, and inactive users to tailor campaigns. Behavioral segmentation focuses on user actions, crucial for conversions. High-value at-risk customers and engaged non-buyers are key segments. Multi-criteria segments, combining attributes, yield higher engagement, optimizing marketing efforts. Batch processing is crucial for sending large volumes of emails efficiently. Implement intelligent batching to respect rate limits and maintain deliverability. Use a batch size of 50-100 emails with a 1 to 2 second delay. Monitor bounce rates and adjust throughput accordingly. Rate limiting prevents spam, with services like SendGrid offering higher limits with proper authentication. SendGrid's API integration enhances email deliverability and analytics. The SendGrid emailer class uses the SendGrid API client for sending emails. It supports both individual and bulk sending with dynamic templates. The send email method handles individual emails, while send bulk leverages SendGrid's template engine for mass communication, ensuring efficient and reliable email delivery. SendGrid excels in high-volume transactional emails with 99.9% uptime and 98% plus deliverability, offering 40,000 free emails monthly. Mailgun targets developers with powerful application programming interfaces and email validation, providing 5,000 free emails. Amazon's simple email service integrates seamlessly with Amazon Web Services, offering 62,000 free emails for Elastic Compute Cloud users. MailChimp focuses on marketing with customer relationship management features, starting at $13 a month. Advanced personalization boosts email click rates from 2 to 3% to 15 to 20%. Move beyond basic greetings by using dynamic product recommendations based on purchase history and browsing behavior. Tailor content to location and context, considering time zone and local events. Utilize behavioral triggers like abandoned carts and engagement spikes for contextual messaging. To track email opens, embed a 111 pixel with a unique ID. This logs an open event when loaded. For clicks, rewrite URLs to pass through a tracking server, capturing click data before redirecting. Implement these strategies to enhance your analytics dashboard, providing insights into user engagement and campaign effectiveness. Transform raw tracking data into actionable insights by calculating key metrics like open, click, and conversion rates. Use SQL queries to extract distinct user events for each metric. Visualize these metrics to evaluate campaign performance across different series like welcome, product launch, and flash sale, enabling data-driven decision-making. A/B testing is crucial for email optimization. Start with a measurable hypothesis, like emojis boosting open rates by 10%. Create 2 to 3 variants, altering one element. Randomly assign users to ensure statistical significance. Measure results using a chi-square test. Apply the winning variant to maximize performance. Deliverability optimization is crucial for ensuring emails reach inboxes. Configure SPF, DKIM, and DMARC for authentication. Maintain a high sender reputation by keeping bounce rates below 2% and complaint rates under 0.1%. Optimize content by avoiding spam triggers and ensuring proper HTML structure. Regularly clean your list to remove inactive users and hard bounces. Efficiently handle bounces by distinguishing between hard and soft types. Hard bounces require immediate removal, while soft bounces need monitoring, removing after 3 occurrences. For unsubscribes, ensure a seamless process with token verification to prevent abuse. Update subscriber status promptly, and offer resubscription options to maintain engagement without risking spam complaints. Drip campaigns automate email sequences based on events or time intervals. Start with a welcome email on sign-up, followed by educational content on day 3. By day 7, encourage engagement with incentives. On day 14, highlight advanced features and return on investment. Conclude on day 21 with a conversion offer, emphasizing premium benefits. The Drip campaign class leverages APS Scheduler to automate email scheduling based on user enrollment. Emails are queued with specific delays, and user state changes are monitored to skip unnecessary emails. Logging tracks enrollments and sent emails, providing valuable analytics. This system supports intricate campaign strategies, ensuring timely and relevant communication with users. Production email systems must handle failures gracefully. Implement retry logic with exponential backoff to manage network issues and API rate limits. Use a dead letter queue for emails that consistently fail, ensuring they don't block the main pipeline. This approach enhances resilience and ensures successful campaign completion despite challenges. Implement structured logging for detailed insights. Log entries should include campaign ID, user ID, and timestamps for effective analysis. Monitor key metrics like email send rate, success, failure ratio, and application programming interface response times. Set alerts for critical issues such as high error rates or queue depth to ensure prompt resolution and maintain system efficiency. Ensure security by using environment variables for credentials and enabling HTTPS. Optimize performance with database indexing and caching. Implement centralized logging and application performance monitoring for observability. Verify general data protection regulation compliance and update privacy policies. Complete application programming interface documentation and test disaster recovery plans to ensure a smooth production deployment of your email automation system. Artificial intelligence-powered personalization enhances email marketing by predicting optimal send times and crafting dynamic content. Multi-channel orchestration integrates email with short message service and push notifications for seamless customer journeys. Predictive analytics identify at-risk customers and optimize return on investment. Explore emerging technologies like accelerated mobile pages for interactive emails and GraphQL for flexible data queries to stay ahead. Start with basic SMTP automation, mastering fundamentals before adding AI personalization or multi-channel orchestration. Prioritize deliverability by focusing on authentication and content quality. Implement comprehensive tracking for data-driven optimization. Respect your audience by making unsubscribing easy and honoring preferences. Begin with foundational setup, then add core features, and finally, launch advanced campaigns with A/B testing and optimized deliverability.